Hola, welcome back to my class. Today I'm going to make you understand a very important topic, the verb gustar. It's a verb, gustar. That means to like something, right? So the gustar verb is used in two ways, gustan and gusta. So when we will use gusta and when we will use gustan, we will learn in this class. When we talk about the sentence which is in plural, we have to identify through the sentence whether we have to use gustan or gusta. So if sentence is in plural, we will use gustan. But if there is any verb either conjugated or unconjugated, or the sentence is singular, or if the sentence is having any adjective like mucho, un poco, bastante. Mucho means many, much, more, a lot. If bastante is there, bastante means so, not so more, not so less. And if there is un poco means a little, a little. So if this is used, then we use gusta. So there are three conditions when we use gusta: singular, any verb, or adjective like un poco, bastante, mucho. All these use gusta with them, right? Now, if we say I like, so I like, how will say? Me gusta. You like, te gusta. They like, le gusta. This is the way we use gusta. Similarly for the gustan also. Me, te, le. Fine, this is the way we use it. Now if we ask about the this example, por ejemplo, me gusta viajar, I like to travel. Me gusta comer, I like to eat. Te gusta comer, you like to eat. Le gusta comer, they like to eat. This is the way we frame the sentence, right? So in the next class I will tell you few more examples over this verb only. Till then you have to remember the use of gusta and gustan, right? Till then, thank you.